Hi, my name is Tracy Durfeld. I'm CEO of Nationwide Contractors Alliance and the principal at Wise Insure, a wholesale MGA underwriter out of Olympia, Washington. My good friends at Crum and Forrester helped me provide a form that not only provides first and third party cyber coverage, but also smart home liability coverage. For those of you that aren't familiar with cyber liability or cyber first party coverage, I really recommend that you take a cyber course for your continuing education and learn it for all classes of business. Construction is a little different in that many of the contractors don't see the exposure and they just haven't thought it through. The smart home exposure, that includes any device in a smart home that's connected to the Internet of Things and typically operable through a homeowner's smartphone, is now covered with our product, uniquely so in the entire country. So the resulting bodily injury, property damage involved in, for example, a failed security system because the installer forgot to change the password or had other intentions. That kind of open-ended claim isn't something you'd want to leave for your security systems contractor, your electrical contractor, or your home builder that offered the smart home upgrade package. All of that is real liability, very large open-ended liability. But let's also talk about the cyber risks that are common not just to contractors but to any business. Many times people don't understand they'll have to replace all of their equipment affected by a breach. That's not easy to find coverage, especially when first-party coverage really is talking about the expenses involved in recovering data instead of hardware. We also make sure that the first-party expenses involved in regulatory compliance and notification is handled, reputation protection is handled, etc. And then there's cyber liability. If they have your information, that of your customers, what are they going to do with it? What kind of economic loss may be involved? What kinds of things are you going to be liable for because somebody else has your customer's information? And getting back to first party, one of the things we also are very keen on is covering extortion, but not just the kind where they hold your data for ransom, but also in case they threaten to expose your data in the event you don't pay a ransom, creating additional liability for your customers. There's so many aspects. We want to make sure that agents can offer a product where the contractors can continue construction, continue their job being contractors rather than being security cyber experts. The process of working with us is very easy. We require nominal information, assuming we understand most residential contractors, and we even provide coverage for security contractors or higher risk types of contractors that are actively involved in very potentially messy areas in the Internet of Things. We have automatic quote templates available for qualified agents that have worked with us. We have the ability to offer loss prevention and educational resources as well. These types of things make for an agent's effort with contractors less incidental, less of a value added sale, but more of a primary, hey, my contractor's got to have this sale. Thanks for listening.